Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix connecting error in the Eversoul. So our first method is that you have to just restart your device one time. After restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. And the second most effective method is that you have to just change the router of your internet connection. If you are using the mobile data, then you have to just turn it to the Wi-Fi. And if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data. Basically, this error will happen if you have not a stable connection of your internet. You have to just make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. And the third most effective method is to restart your router. For this, you have to just turn on the airplane mode for 3 to 4 seconds and then turn it off. Restore your internet connection and your problem will be fixed. And the next method is that you have to just clear the cache of your Eversoul. Just tap and hold on your game and then click on the application details. Doing so, you have to just tap on the storage and the cache and then tap on the clear cache, and after doing so this problem will be fixed. And the next method is that you have to just make sure that you have an updated version of your Eversoul. If not, then you have to just click to update your game. By updating your game, your problem will be fixed and you will never got this type of the error in the middle of your game. But if still you are facing the same issue, then you have to just open your Play Store or App Store and then search here for a VPN which is named as the Turbo VPN. And after this you have to just install it and click to open. Basically, you have to just connect this VPN to your device. After connection, your problem will be fixed. So by following all these methods, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.